Hi, I'm Alex from Streme, and today I'm going to tell you about the made-to-measure framed screen ordering option 1. This ordering option is for those who have either ordered frame screens from us before and are familiar with how they fit, or are generally familiar with framed screens. The option requires the width and height of the frame that you require. So A, the width, and B, the height of the frame. In giving this, you also need to give consideration to the fixing options of your choice and any deductions that may be required for those. Information on them can be found on the Mesh and Fixings tab on the product page of the website. However, if you do have any questions or are at all unsure, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We are more than happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.